Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that can transform the way you cook indoors, the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Grill with Hot and Cold Smoke Infuser. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check its latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this grill is all about. The Hamilton Beach Indoor Grill is an innovative electric grill that combines searing, grilling, and smoking capabilities all in one compact unit. It features a patent-pending design that allows you to reach impressive temperatures from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to a sizzling 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can lock in the juices and flavors of your favorite meats and veggies, while also getting those beautiful grill marks that we all love. One of the standout features of this grill is its integrated smoke infuser. This allows you to infuse your food with delightful smoky flavors, which enhances the overall taste and experience. What's remarkable is that you can infuse smoke both with heat and without. For instance, if you're grilling smaller cuts of meat, seafood, or poultry, the hot smoke infusion works wonders. Alternatively, if you want to add a smoky kick to cheese, nuts, or even hard-boiled eggs, the cold smoke option is perfect. You can achieve this infusion in as little as 20 to 60 minutes, depending on your flavor preference. The grill boasts a generous cooking surface of 116 square inches, which means it's large enough to serve up to 6 people. Whether you're preparing a complete meal for the family or just grilling some entrees and sides for a cozy dinner for 2 or 3, this grill has you covered. The high-quality non-stick grill plate ensures that your food won't stick, making cooking and cleanup a breeze. Speaking of cleanup, one of the most appealing aspects of this grill is how easy it is to maintain. The non-stick grill plate, wire rack, drip tray, and hood are all dishwasher safe. Additionally, the smoke infuser components, including the filters, can be washed by hand without hassle. This means you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. So, who is the Hamilton Beach Indoor Grill suitable for? If you love grilling but live in an apartment or a place where outdoor grilling isn't possible, this grill is ideal for you. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking healthy, high-protein meals, such as chicken, seafood, and lean cuts of meat, without the added fat. It's also a great option for those who appreciate the rich flavors that come from smoking their food but may not have the means or space for a full outdoor smoker. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine it's a rainy day, and you're craving grilled steak or smoky chicken wings. With this indoor grill, you can easily prepare your meal without having to venture outside. Or perhaps you want to impress your guests with a gourmet cheese platter featuring cold smoked cheeses. This grill allows you to experiment with flavors and create delicious dishes year-round, regardless of the weather. In summary, the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Grill with Hot and Cold Smoke Infuser is an excellent addition to any kitchen. Its versatility, large cooking surface, and easy cleanup make it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their indoor cooking experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.